Hey, viewers, new audio setup. Different from the last one, I actually have a new microphone. And I already tested this once. My voice is better on it this time. So hopefully, well, let's test and see if it works with games too. Okay, here we go. Please work. I really would like this to be our new audio setup. It could be, because it actually is pretty, a lot better than the last one we tried to work out. The last audio setup that we tried, new audio setup, the current one's great. But we want to change it due to technical reasons. But this is going to be a lot better than the last one I tried out. It was okay. But you guys can't hear me clear enough. Hopefully this one's different. This time the only thing I'm worried about is the game audio being a little too overpowering. Besides that, I'm pretty sure this one will work. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go to the test room and find out. Which for you is right now. We have to go edit.